Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's already 8:30 and yeah, until now the place is messy. Actually, this one that I was like 5 days ago, but it's been raining the previous days, so I keep it outside. I picked it up yesterday and now I don't like the smell, so I'm going to wash it again. Yeah, I already have some of my clothes outside drying, and I also have some more washing at the moment, and I still have some more down below, down there. Yeah, I am day of today and tomorrow, so today will be washing day. I'm going to prepare my meal, reheating this rice, reheat this. Yeah, and later on we are going outside to bike around, and I will be using again this Boss Frame Tempo. This is the most comfortable music I wear. Okay, now I am having this egg. Yeah, we usually cook, when I was a kid, we usually cook egg like this. Not soft egg, not but hard like this. And then we cut it like a pizza and we share. Oh, yesterday at work before going home, Inigo asked me, "Do you have food in the house?" I said, "No, I don't have." Yeah, but I have egg and noodles. Yeah, I think Inigo is hungry yesterday. I was thinking of telling him, let's go to McDonald's. But, yeah, yes, last night was, I feel like it's going to be late. So, yeah, I think Inigo go home hungry. And of course, I'm going to eat it with rice. I have a really nice meal during the time that Charlene and John was here. Yeah, when I was a kid, it is my parents who prepare my food. And then when I moved out of my parents' house, I moved to the house of my cousin. And it is my cousin or my brother and my brother who is preparing the food. And then when I move out by myself, living by myself, I mean living in a dormitory, I have housemates, but yeah, I always eat outside. In the restaurant, mostly I eat in fast food, Jollibee, McDonald's, Chowking. Yeah, that is a popular fast food chain in the Philippines. Yeah, and when I moved to Dubai, we have cafeteria where we can go anytime we want and eat any food we want for free. But also there are times that my housemate is preparing food for both of us. Yeah, he keep on saying that relax, I'll cook food for us. Yeah, don't worry, something like that. Yeah, and most of the friends that I have in Dubai, they always do that. They are the one who is preparing the food. And also here in Australia, when I was in Sydney, Carmel and Emil. Oh, congratulations to Carmel and Emil. They just had their wedding a few days ago. Yeah, I'm supposed to go there, but I didn't able to request for day off. Yeah. Also, Emil and Carmel, they are preparing food. Yeah, and here in the house, sometimes Inigo come here to, and he's the one who preparing the food. And just the previous days, it was Jan and Charlene. I had a good time eating Filipino food. I mean the food that they cook. Yeah, thank you to all of them. I really appreciate those. I don't have the courage to prepare food for the friends, for the people around me. I don't feel that I am a good cook. But yeah, our GM is actually asking me to cook food for him, and I do. And sometimes he said, "Oh, very nice." And sometimes he's asking, requesting me, "Oh, the same like yesterday, cook the one the same like yesterday." Yeah, I don't know. this bread is just $3.90. Full meal. This time we're going to take this yogurt. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, this one. This is just $5.80. 900 grams. We're also going to take 2 pieces of this milk. Just 85 cents. Actually, just one. Oh, today this is 50% discount. The pork bun. Yeah, we're going to take 2. Regular price is $5. Now just $2.50. We're going to take one of this tomato sauce. This is just $2. And we're going to take one of this cinnamon donut, 12 pieces, and it's $2.50. I will keep some of this in the freezer. Oh, this one is not fit in the backpack. Yeah, in Canberra, in Melbourne, like that, the trees. There's no more rain this time. And the clouds is like that. Yeah, okay, we're home. And I will be eating this while having a coffee. Maybe 4 pieces. 4 pieces. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished that already at 2:23 when I sign out. I didn't wait for 2:30 because yeah, I don't want to do that. Because in our company, if we extend the 30 minutes, it is going to be recorded and it's going to be like additional hours for us. Oh, let me show you this. Yeah, you see that they have so many candies. Yeah, candies, so many candies, but they are calling it lollies. I was thinking, what is lollies? And that's I saw in YouTube that yeah, it's actually the candy. Okay, so yeah, I got this. This is just kid fish and chips. It's I think it's $4.50. Inside there's one fish and chips. Oh, my original plan is to sit down there, but there are people, because I have my laptop with me in my backpack, and I want to be sitting down there editing the video and eating this kid fish and chips. This is the only fish. Okay, so we're just here. The sun is going to set down there. The time now is 2:57. Yeah, by 4:30 there will be no more sun. Yeah. Oh, I have this kind of water. Yeah, I bought it from the ferry, from the cruise, a dolphin watch. This is good because this one is metal and reusable. And the good thing is this one is fit on the pocket of my backpack. That is why, yeah, that's the reason why I bought this. And magpies is gathering here now. Maybe they smell this. Yeah, this water is good. It fits in here. I realized that I want to go to the locksmith to have my key duplicate. Another thing is I am cravings for coffee. Yeah, I really want to have this key duplicated now because yeah, this morning before going to work, I almost forgot again inside. Yeah, and then on the day that John and Charlene was here in the house, yeah, I forgot I lost the key, and John found it in the back seat of the car. There are so many birds up there. You know, if you go to Sydney, these are the kinds of birds that you're going to see first. You will notice that very much. They are everywhere in Sydney. They are yeah, going to different garbage bin. Amazing. Yeah, that's very fast. Oh, that's a very quick. Yeah, not even 2 minutes, maybe. Yeah, very fast. And it works. Then this is the second one. Yeah, it works too. Nice. It is already 5 o'clock. I was already there editing the video. Also, I already took a shower. And I almost forgot to put this on my bike. I'm going to do it now. Why? So I just take this out. And going to put it now. Maybe this other side.